Level 1, B. Today, we're going to learn about two concepts. First, adding whole numbers whose sum is 10. Second, adding three whole numbers whose sum is up to 10. Let's learn about the first concept. Adding whole numbers whose sum is 10. Let's have some examples. 4 plus 6 is equal to 4 and 6 are whole numbers. Let's add 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 is a sum that is equal to 10. How about the next example? 3 plus is equal to 10. 3 is a whole number. 10 is a sum that is equal to 10. What is the missing number? What can we add with 3 to get 10? Is it 4? No! Very good! Because 3 plus 4 is not equal to 10. It is equal to 7. So 4 is not the correct answer. So what do you think is the missing number? Is it 7? Yes! Good job! Let's learn about the second concept. Adding three whole numbers whose sum is up to 10. What whole numbers are up to 10? They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's have some examples. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 1, 2, and 6 are whole numbers. Add the first two numbers. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Add the last number to the sum of the first two numbers. Let's add 6. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is the sum that is up to 10. How about the next example? 6 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6, 3, and 2 are whole numbers. Let's add 6 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 11. Look at the answer. Is 11 a sum that is up to 10? No! Very good. Because 11 is a sum that is more than 10. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!